Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean environment so dependencies don't collide. Install Python 3.10 or later and verify versions, then create and activate a virtual env. Once done, pick a framework that matches your needs. Flask for minimal APIs, Fast API for async performance, or Django for batteries-included projects. Then install the framework and an HTTP client library. You do this now to save refactor time later, and to keep deployments predictable across machines and CI. You now implement the core. Design endpoints and data contracts so clients know what to send and expect. Use Pydantic or Marshmallow to validate inputs. This prevents bad data early. Next, separate service layer logic from route handlers so tests run quickly. Write unit tests for those services. Connect a database using SQL Alchemy or an async ORM. Add migrations so schema changes are reproducible. Make sure to run the app locally, and exercise endpoints with curl or a REST client as you iterate. You finalize by securing and deploying. Add authentication, JWT or sessions, rate limiting, and sanitize inputs to reduce risk. Then containerize with Docker, wire CI to run tests, and deploy to a platform that fits your scale. Once live, set up logging, metrics, and health endpoints so you can observe behavior. If things go wrong, check logs first. Look for stack traces, failing migrations, or environment variable mismatches. Revert to a known good release, and run migrations manually if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.